Hi, this is Pete from SCI Distribution. Just wanted to show you some bits and bats we've been doing for a customer with the new Transit Custom. So one of the problems customers are facing with the new Transit Custom is the vehicles are not wired for rear speakers and the stereos cannot output to rear speakers. So what we've done, we've built a little plug and play harness. So this plug here simply plugs into the factory stereo, and your original stereo plugs in there, and then you've basically got a plug there with an input to the amplifier and an output from the amplifier. So this one we're using is this little tiny Pioneer 4-channel. So as you can see, you just put it on 2-channel input mode, and then you can choose whether you want to filter off the bass or not on the speaker channels. So if you were using it with door speakers, you'd put high pass filter on, for example, and then on this plug here it'll give you 4 outputs. So what we've done on this loom, obviously the front channels go back through the original wiring loom back to the original radio plug, but the rear channels we've added on this extra cable for our customer, so he can run this all the way to the back of the van and use some of our fiberglass speaker pods, which is great. So that's one loom for this particular customer. Let me just unplug this. What we've also done with the same wiring looms, we've also made a loom which basically can plug into the Feelart F68. So this is more advanced than the Pioneer amp. So this is a 6-channel output and a full DSP built in. So what's a DSP, you ask? So this allows you to plug in a PC cable, use some free software from the Feelart website, and it allows you to fine-tune the sound via your laptop, and it lets you adjust every aspect of the sound for each speaker. So if you're a bit of a nerd and you really want to drill into the sound of your van and really improve it, then we would recommend the F68 DSP. Any questions, please ask. Thank you.